Week 2, Day 5. Today's topic, we will learn how to introduce ourselves. Before we introduce ourselves, we first greet the other person. Listen to me. Repeat after me. Tālofa. Tālofa. Tālofa means hello. Tālofa means hello. Oa'o. 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 Oa'o means I am. Oa'o kalala. That means I am Kalala. My name is Kalala. Or Olo'u ingoa o. My name is Olo'u ingoa o Kalala. Olo'u ingoa o Kalala means my name is Kalala. Leleitele. Leleitele. Leleitele means very good. Okay, who wants to volunteer? We need 2 students to introduce themselves in front of us. Let's give our hands to Mele and Sione. Leleitele, Mele and Sione. Okay, Mele, it's your turn. Tālofa. Oa'u o Mele. Oa'u o Mele. Olo'u ingoa o Mele. Olo'u ingoa o Mele. Leleitele Mele. Okay, Sione, it's your turn. Oa'u o Sione. Oa'u o Sione. Olo'u ingoa o Sione. Olo'u ingoa o Sione. Afetai Mele. Afetai Sione. Leleitele. Okay, kids, we are going to finish up our lesson. Just repeat after me. Tālofa means hello. Tālofa means hello. Olo'u ingoa o means my name is. Olo'u ingoa o means my name is. Oa'o means I am. Oa'o means I am. Leleitele means very good. Leleitele means very good. Afetai means thank you. Afetai means thank you.